Welcome to my channel, friends. Today we will study some important questions in microbiology for medical lab technician. Let us begin with question number 1. Tyndallization is options are intermittent sterilization, pasteurization, boiling, autoclaving. The answer will be intermittent sterilization. Question number 2. The disadvantage of boiling as a method of disinfection is options are not effective for rubber gloves, only soft water can be used, does not kill Vibrio cholera, does not destroy spores. Answer will be D, does not destroy spores. Question number 3. In autoclaving, the temperature, pressure and time reached is options are 121 degrees Celsius at 14.5 lb per inch for 15 minutes. 121 degrees Celsius at 14.5 lb per inch for 25 minutes. C. 115 degrees Celsius at 16 lb per inch for 20 minutes. And D. 116 degrees Celsius at 16 lb per inch for 20 minutes. Answer will be A. Question number 4. Cold sterilization means options are sterilization under low temperature, sterilization by ice, sterilization with gamma rays, sterilization by sonic vibration. Answer will be C, sterilization with gamma rays. Question number 5. The best method of skin disinfectant is options are spirit, 100% alcohol, tincture, iodine, cetrimide. The option will be tincture, iodine. Phenol, question number 6. Phenol coefficient indicates options are efficacy of a disinfectant, dilution of a disinfectant, quantity of a disinfectant, purity of disinfectant. Answer will be efficacy of phenol coefficient indicates efficacy of disinfectant. Question number 7. The usual concentration of agar used for agar medium is Options are 2%, 5%, 10%, 20%. Answer is 2%. Question number 8. Which of the following is an enrichment medium? Options are: Option A, selenite broth, chocolate media, meat extract media, egg media. The answer will be selenite broth. Selenite broth. Question number 9. The media for cultivation of anaerobic organism is. Options are: A, Robertson cooked meat. Option A, Robertson's cooked meat broth. B, Stewart's medium. C, salt agar. D, chocolate agar. The question is, the media for cultivation of anaerobic organism is. The answer will be A, Robertson cooked meat medium. Question number 10. Heating and subsequent plating is used for isolating. Option are: Corynebacterium, Vibrio, Salmonella, Clostridia. The answer will be D, Clostridia. Number 11. Plasmid are responsible for. Options are: A, cell metabolism, B, cell division, C, cell respiration, D, gene transfer. Answer will be gene transfer. Question number 12. Transduction is. Option A, transfer of a portion of DNA. B, inhibition of protein synthesis. C, division of cell mass. D, nucleolar inhibition. So, transduction is the answer will be transfer of a portion of DNA. Question number 13. F factor integrates with bacterial chromosome to form. Option are: A, HFR, B, RTF plus R, C, F minus, D, RTF. Answer will be A, HFR. F factor integrates with bacterial chromosome to form HFR. Question number 14. Most drug resistance occur due to. Option A, transduction, B, translation, C, mutation, D, conjugation. Answer will be conjugation. And the last one. All the following are acid-fast microorganism except. Option A, Nocardia, B, bacterial spore, C, Mycobacterium leprae, D, mycoplasma. Answer will be D, mycoplasma. So that's all for today. Thank you.